Okay, welcome to my video. This is my 2018 Bristlecomb Lodge log cabin. It's got a 40-year metal roof on it, all thermopane windows and doors, and Cabela's actually designed the very first one of these back in the early 2000s. Got a house type rear entry door. It's towed to the site just like you see it. All you got to do is put sheets on the bed, hook up the water in the sewer, plug it in, and you're camping. Camping in style. We call this Cadillac camping. Log cabin camping. You've got a 20-gallon electric hot water heater. You've got storage under the stairs leading to the loft. There's an outside water spigot right here. Good view out. So we'll go on in and take a quick look. I took a bunch of pictures. I got this unit plugged in. I'll tell you about a few things it's got with it. This is what I call the modern version of this trailer, because it actually has modern furniture in it. Turn on some more lights. It's got beautiful cedar paneling inside and out, as you can see here. Look at all that cedar. Table and 4 chairs. There's storage under the chairs. You've got your 5-burner range, convection microwave, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, just like a house. You've got an undermount kitchen sink, single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer, Corian countertops. This one actually features a dishwasher. That's a Frigidaire pot scrubber. Over here, the drawers are all full extension ball bearing drawer guides, so you can see they pull all the way out. Gives you lots of storage. There's beautiful cedar paneling everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Roof, walls, bathroom. Okay, let's head for the dining area. There's the bay window at the dinette. Stainless fridge. You got a pantry and a coat closet. There's the pantry. And this should be the coat closet, and it is. And you got a closet rod in top. 56,000 BTU furnace. May as well get the bathroom while we're going by. It's got a great big bathroom in it. It's got a shower tub combo with glass doors. There's the vanity. Storage underneath the vanity. Tub surround. Glass doors. Tub and a shower. House type toilet. And nice big towel closet / linen closet over here next to the toilet. Okay, so heading back out. These are all solid core doors. Really nice solid core doors. Cedar paneling on all the walls. There's your house type rear entry door with deadbolt and doorknob for added security. In here, the bedroom has the his and hers Quail Ridge wardrobe, 8 drawers and 4 doors. It's got the Serta mattress and box springs. That's made especially for Forest River. Offered exclusively in our park models. So if we head upstairs, up the steps here, you'll get to see the loft. This is what's called the split loft. So you have a step down into the master bedroom, and this rear loft is going to measure, right at 5 feet tall. Nice big entertainment center, couple cabinets, couple drawers, plenty of places to put the kids' stuff. The shorter loft, which is going to be about 4 foot tall, is over here, and it actually overlooks the front room. So I'm not going to crawl over there. Maybe I can reach over there. There you go. So there's what the front of this trailer looks like. And then we'll head back down the stairs. And that's pretty much it. The only thing I didn't mention probably was the plank wood linoleum throughout. Carpeting in the master bedroom, stairs, and loft only. So there you have it. This is my 2018 Bristlecomb Lodge log cabin. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stop on by and see us in sublet. This is Kelly Hicks RV Sales, and my phone number is 815-849-9089. Thanks. Good morning and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, Illinois. I'm going to give you a little bit of history today. Back in the 2009 era, 2008, 2010, somewhere thereabouts, Cabela's invented a Bristlecomb Lodge log cabin, and they actually hired Forest River to build it for them. The idea was Cabela's was going to sell these log cabin models to the public. Well, it went on for a while, but they decided to end their partnership. And then the Bristlecomb Lodge floor plan was available to dealers such as myself to sell to the public. So this is a CBT39ND. It's unit number 8721, and it's a beautiful RVIA certified log cabin park model. So I'm going to take you in. It's got plank PVC flooring on the entire main floor. I'll show you the plank flooring. Nice wood grain flooring. There's our feature wall along with our fireplace. And then you have an upstairs loft. Pretty big one, I might add. This is what's termed a centered loft. So you've got, about a 16, 18 foot section here of loft. There's a TV place up there and a small cabinet, but mostly lofts get used for storage, kids, grandkids, and sleeping quarters. So it has a sleeper sofa, so whatever you can put in the loft, however many you can put on the sleeper sofa. And then you have two in the master bedroom. Heading back through the trailer, we're going to check out the kitchen area. It's really a nice functional kitchen. It's got a 30-inch range, a 30-inch microwave, stainless steel sink with a single lever faucet, a 18.5 cubic foot fridge, and it actually has an awful lot of cabinets with adjustable shelving, I might add, so you can adjust the shelving to where you need it. Got some more adjustable shelving there. The wall paneling and the ceiling in here is all cedar panels. Up there you got the car siding, and man, does that look cool. It is just a very nice ceiling touch. So anyhow, we're still walking on linoleum, heading through the kitchen. We've got the house type rear entry door, and then next doorway here will be the bathroom. Nice big bathroom. Got a nice linen closet back here, big linen closet. Plenty of room in the upper and lower. You've got a tub, fiberglass shower surround. And you've got the great big medicine cabinet and vanity. It's actually a pretty nice big corner deal here. Got drawers, full extension ball bearing drawer guides. exhaust fan. So now, I suppose we better look at the master bedroom. It's got a nice tall ceiling. Oops, hit that with my elbow. With, what did we do here? Flipped our camera. Sorry about that. I was not paying attention well enough, evidently. Anyhow, there's the wardrobe. And there's lights in the closets. You do have closet lights. There's one of the outside lights. Again, you've got your full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Another nice feature of all the Forest River Park models, the electrical panel is centrally located behind the mirror, and all the breakers are clearly marked as to what they belong to. Instead of having a swinging door, they have a sliding door. That saves a little space in here. You can actually walk around the queen bed here. I always get asked this question, is there room for a king? By all means, there's room for a king. If you don't like a queen, put a king in it. But it comes with the queen. Again, there's your plank wood linoleum, PVC flooring on the entire main floor. That pretty well wraps up our tour here. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, everything in it stays in it. This is my last 2019, so we got special pricing on it. The last one I spec'd out was $84,000, and this one's thousands less than that. So if you have use for a log cabin and you want a good price on it, give me a holler. This is a nice one. Probably is no nicer one in the United States. Everything in it stays in it. All the decorations go. It's looking for a new home. 6-foot patio entry door. Vinyl thermal panes all around. Cedar siding. That is real cedar. Has been stained one time when it was built, and another time by me this past summer. Put a nice coat of stain on it to make it look really sharp. We've sold a lot of log cabins over the years, and again, this is what Cabela's used to sell. It was called the Bristlecomb Lodge Log Cabin. It is a Forest River cabin model CBT39ND. Thanks for watching. Catch you on one of my next 20 videos. Have a good day. Bye.